A cryptocurrency is a digital asset that has value with no centralized control that facilitates person-to-person transaction. It is extremely safe because it sits on a digital system called a blockchain, which is a safe and secure hack-proof method of store of information. Now, like I've said, it is an asset that has value. Cryptocurrencies can be bought when prices are low, sold when prices are high, and that is trading. I want you to imagine you could go and buy a sack of sugar, get it into that small shop where you are, and be able to break it down in small pieces. So it means you bought it at a certain price and you are selling at a certain price, meaning you are making profit. The same thing happens with cryptocurrency because it has a community of people that believe in this asset, because these assets have different problems they are solving into the digital world. Now, cryptocurrency market works 24 hours, 7 days. It doesn't stop. Now imagine you are getting someone that is seated on the market 24 hours, 7 days, buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high. Perfectly, it means you will be making profit every time you blink your eye. This artificial intelligence will be taking your position. It will monitor the market. It will buy when prices are low and sell when the prices are high, and you will be making instant profit. So your trade will be efficient. Now, I know we have so many manual traders, but imagine you are seeing me and your trade is efficient, real time, at exact take profit, and happening at the exact time, 24 hours, 7 days. Now, that is artificial intelligence. Now, the market has a lot of artificial intelligence outside there, but there is one that rocks and rolls this world. That is none other than 𝐚𝐬𝐞 artificial intelligent robot that will be connected to the crypto world market, to these assets. And perfectly, it's gonna be able to buy for you and sell for you, meaning it will buy when prices are low, sell when prices are high. I want you to imagine as you close your eyes, you are sleeping at night and the robot is busy buying low and selling high, meaning it takes away the burden, it takes away your emotions. If you're a busy person and you don't have time to look at the market, wow, this is for you. With only 120 USDT, you'll access this software. Can you imagine? It will work for you for a full year. To maintain this software, on every profit you will make, you will be charged 20% of your profit, not of your capital, 20% of your profit. And this money will be put in a prepaid smart contract in your robot. So when you make your $10, all your $10 and your capital will sit in your crypto account. How can you access the crypto assets? Crypto assets are accessed into what we call crypto exchanges. What are crypto exchanges? Crypto exchanges, these are platforms that gather buyers and sellers across the world. I'll take an example of the #1 leading exchange. When you check out on a website, www.coinmarketcap.com, you will discover that Binance is the #1 leading exchange. Perfectly. Ladies and gentlemen, this exchange has 90 million customers every single day. Now I want you to imagine, I go back to my bag of sugar. You purchase your bag of sugar and the customers are 90 million. Imagine the speed at which you will sell your sugar. Now that is where you're gonna be able to keep your assets. Now, how safe is Binance? Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's you who can open this account. It's you who can access your money on this account. So Binance will help you exchange your money from your local currency into crypto and from crypto into your local currency, meaning 24 hours, 7 days, you can access your money. The safety of your profit and your capital is very paramount. It's only you who can access your capital. It's only you who can access your profit. We are going to connect the 𝐚𝐬𝐞 artificial intelligence robot to your crypto bank account. And what it will do, it will only buy low and sell high, buy low and sell high. The person who has sent you this video will give you two important links. One will be the one to access your crypto bank account where your capital and your profit will be safe. The second one will be the link to access the 𝐚𝐬𝐞 application, and the person who has sent you this link will definitely guide you through. Now, how do you access where your capital and your profit will be? Basically, you will register and you will need a national ID. You will need either a national ID, a driving license, or a passport, depending on the area where you come from. You register and create a strong password.